Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going over the lawn and we're getting rid of these things are called spurs. I think they're part of the nutsedge family, and they are an absolute scourge of the land. We have to kind of kill them and get rid of them from the root, because if not, these things, they grab onto your socks, your shoes, and they hitch on everything, and they're so sharp that it turns if you don't get it under control, it turns your yard into like a minefield. So that's what we're doing today. Just figure out, make a quick documentary of how we go about doing it.